Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I filmed this neon and blue halo eye. I think it turned out super cute and it really brought everything together. If you'd like to see how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. And now I'll be picking up my P. Louise base with a M224 brush, and I'm going to start stamping that all over my lid and making sure it's even. Now I'll be picking up the James Charles X Morphe palette on this little fluffy brush, and I'm going to start stamping that green shade right in the inner portion of my crease. And now I'll be taking another fluffier brush, and I'm going to take the Helen Cosmetics Neon Pigment, and I'm going to start blending that into the green. And now taking the same palette that I used, I'm going to pick up the blue shade on a blending brush, and I'm going to start stamping that on the outer half of my crease. And now I'll be taking a different brush and the darker blue shade, and I'm going to start blending that into the blue and just deepening the color. And now I'll be taking the P. Louise base again in the shade Rumor 0.5 on a M224 brush, and I'm going to start cutting out my halo eye. And once that is cut, I'm going to take my green and the neon pigment mixed on the brush, and I'm going to start bringing that into my halo eye just a little bit, and I'll be doing the same with the blue. Now I'll be taking Sugarpill's eyeshadow in the shade Taco, and I'm going to start packing that into the halo eye in between the green and the blue. And now that I have the white shade down, I'm going to pick up the same brushes that I used for the green and the blue, and I'm going to start blending that into the white. And I quickly did my other eye off camera, and then I'll be taking this thin black liquid liner and doing a thin line right on my lash line. Now taking Dodo lashes in the style D328, and I'm going to go ahead and place those on my eyelashes. I really love this style. I think it's super fluffy and it really brings out your eyes. And you can use code rosaxrobles on Dodo Lashes website to get money off of your order. Next, I'll be picking up Stila's glitter in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner. And then I'll be taking Colourpop's Flexitarian highlighter, and I'll be popping that into my inner corner right on top of that. Next, I'll be taking Colourpop's Glitterally Obsessed Disco Lady glitter, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corner to top it off. Now I'll be picking up NYX Brown Cocoa Liner and lining my lips, and then I'll be taking Colourpop's BFF Lip Liner and lining the center of my lips, just to kind of give it an ombre effect, and then I'll be filling it in with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Hunty. And I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Liner in the shade Milk and adding that to my waterline. And then I'll be taking some mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. Now I'll be picking up my Anastasia X Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and I'll be taking a fluffier brush and highlighting my cheekbones. And I'll be taking my little star stamp and stamping a star on the outer corner of my eye. And I'll be taking a black liquid liner and making the star edges just a little longer. And then I'll be spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'll be pressing it in with my Morphe sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really had a lot of fun creating this neon and blue halo eye. I don't do halo eyes very often, so comment below what you think or if you liked it. Just let me know your thoughts. Anyway, any makeup product I used will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at rosaxrobles. And thank you guys again for so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.